Hi there! Welcome to our channel, Learning Languages by Listening and Practicing. Let's start. Scenario 1. Morning weather check.
Good morning, Alex. How's the weather looking today?
Good morning, Sarah. Let me check the weather app. Looks like it's going to be sunny with a chance of clouds later in the afternoon.
Sounds nice. I was hoping for some sunshine. Do you think it'll be warm enough to go for a walk later?
Definitely. The temperature is expected to reach the mid-70s, so it should be perfect for a stroll.
Great. I've been wanting to explore that new park downtown. Would you like to join me?
That sounds like a fantastic idea. Count me in.
Perfect. Let's plan to meet there around noon. I'll bring some snacks.
Sounds like a plan. Looking forward to it.
Scenario 2.
Hey, Emma. Did you see the weather forecast for this afternoon?
Hi, Chris. No, I haven't checked yet. What's it saying?
It looks like we might be in for some heavy rain later. There's a thunderstorm warning in effect.
Oh no, I was planning to run some errands after work. Do you think it'll last long? Thanks for the heads up. I'll make sure to grab one before I head out. Hopefully, it won't disrupt my plans too much.
Yeah, fingers crossed. Stay safe out there.
You too, Chris. Thanks again for letting me know.
Scenario 3. Evening chill.
It's getting chilly out there.
I know, right? I wasn't expecting it to cool down so much in the evening.
I guess that's typical for this time of year. The temperature tends to drop as soon as the sun sets.
Yeah, I should have brought a jacket with me. I'm starting to feel the cold.
Do you want to head inside somewhere warmer? There's a cafe just around the corner.
That sounds like a good idea. A hot cup of coffee would be perfect to warm up.
Great, let's go. I'll treat you to a warm drink.
Thanks, Tom. You're the best.
No problem. Anything to keep you cozy on this chilly evening.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.